Hi guys, again. Something I wanted to circle back on was just the guest inbox, and more importantly, the knowledge base. So if you've seen the tutorial about the guest inbox, you kind of know how that works, how links are generated, and how you are able to kind of communicate back and forth with your guests. But something that's a pretty powerful feature of CurrentOS is actually the knowledge base. So if we want to update our knowledge base for each respective property, we go back to the manage portfolio. We'll click into the resort itself, and then we could go ahead and actually add the things we want our guests to know. So let's start the first entry, right? So let's say we wanted to let users know what the Wi-Fi password is, right? So the question is, what is the Wi-Fi password, right? Okay, the Wi-Fi password is current OS 1234, right? Now we have an option here to either allow the AI chatbot to extract this feedback from the knowledge base or not. Ideally, we want the chatbot to be able to tap into the knowledge base, and so typically you want to keep this selected, right? So we'll just go ahead and add the entry. Let's add another entry. Let's say just for check in, check out. What is the door code, right? And we'll answer and say the door code is 1234, right? And we can essentially add anything we want here. If we have vendors that we prefer to work with, we can add everything here, right? And so let's go back to the guest inbox, and we'll go ahead and just reopen that chat link, right? So we have one for emergencies. Let's just go ahead and copy this. It's quite an emergency, but we'll use it nevertheless. So we'll add this, open up the link, and then we'll start another conversation, right? So Alex Gordon. I hope no one's name is Alex Gordon. All right, so Alex at currentos.app. Excuse me. And let's say it's booking.com. JK12345, right? So we'll go ahead and we'll start that chat. And then I'm going to ask, hi, what's the door code, right? So we'll give it a couple of seconds. And as we can see, the AI assistant is typing now. All right, cool. We have, hi Alex, the door code is 1234. If you need anything else or help with check-in, let me know. All right, and let's ask a follow-up question. Hi, thank you. What is the Wi-Fi password? And so again, you see the assistant is typing. And yeah, we have the Wi-Fi password. So again, guys, you can use the knowledge base for anything. And the chatbot will just extract that information and then communicate it to the guest accordingly. So in cases where you're not available, you can't respond to guests directly, some of the common questions that you would expect, the chatbot itself will be able to respond on your behalf. So this is a pretty cool function, and I would definitely use it. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.